If you've ever scrolled through TikTok or YouTube and thought, wait, is that actually a good crypto investment? You're not alone. The crypto world is full of innovation and illusion. Today, I'll show you how to tell the difference between real opportunities that can change your financial future and scams that are designed to take it. Stay to the end, because I'll share my personal checklist for spotting red flags in under 60 seconds. Scams work because they use emotion over logic. They promise speed, exclusivity, and freedom. All things we crave when we're tired of traditional finance holding the keys. Scammers show up exactly when people feel left behind. So if you've ever felt FOMO during a crypto rally, that's what they prey on. But here's the good news. Once you know the patterns, it becomes surprisingly easy to spot them. Let's start with the 5 biggest red flags. Number 1, guaranteed returns. No legit investment can promise that. Not even the stock market. If you see risk-free 15% monthly yield, walk away. Number 2, pressure to act fast. Real opportunities respect due diligence. Scams create urgency because they can't survive research. Number 3, anonymous founders. If you can't find verifiable information about who's behind the project, it's a red flag. Legit teams are proud to stand behind their product. Number 4, overcomplicated jargon. If you can't explain what a project does in one clear sentence, it's probably fluff. Real innovation solves real problems, not buzzword bingo. Number 5, unverified community hype. If 90% of the excitement comes from influencers instead of users, it's probably not innovation, it's marketing. Now let's flip it. What does legit innovation in crypto look like? 1, transparency. You can find the founders, the white paper, and the code base on platforms like GitHub. 2, real-world utility. It solves a problem. Faster payments, transparent supply chains, decentralized identity, or fairer access to credit. 3, partnerships. If credible organizations or developers are actually building with the project, not just talking about it, that's a good sign. 4, regulation readiness. They're not running from oversight. They're preparing for it because real innovation wants to scale, not hide. Here's my personal 60-second checklist before I even consider engaging with a crypto project. Can I clearly explain what this project does in 1 sentence? Are the founders real people with verifiable work history? Does the project solve a tangible problem? Is the value based on use, not hype? And could I lose this money and still sleep at night? If the answer to any of those is no, it's not worth my time or my wallet. The truth is, crypto isn't a scam, but the industry's lack of education makes it the perfect playground for scammers. Your best defense is knowledge, patience, and pattern recognition. If this helped, share it with someone who's been crypto curious lately. And hit subscribe and join the Cashmere and Capital community.